y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm telling you about this deep wave hair that I got from Eullair hair. This is a 20-inch 150 density 13x4 lace front unit. Now I've worked with Eullair a few times in the past. I was about to say a few times in the past, and each time was really good, except the wig was always too small to fit my head. But this time they got it perfect. It fits really good. It's even actually a little bit too big, which I would rather a wig be too big than too small. Now I decided to do wand curls in this video because two reasons. I'm kind of over the wet look. Like, we get it, we got it, I've done it. And I also think that is how I got sick, by having wet hair, my clothes being wet from the hair, and then I went outside in the cold. And I also decided to do it because the density is low when it's wet and I want more volume. I don't know, I just like my hair to be big, but that's a preference thing. As far as tangling and shedding, very minimal for both, which I've never really had a big problem with tangling or shedding from Eullair hair. My knots didn't bleach the way I would like. That is something I've had previously happen before. I don't know what it is. I tried a 40 volume developer this time for about 30 minutes and still it was stubborn knots. Now besides that, everything else was really good. I did an install with no baby hair. You have to see that video. I tried. If you want to see the video, it will be up there. This wig will run you about $168 on Eullair's website. So if you're interested, the link will be in my description. Let's go. This is how the hair looks 100% dry. I ran my fingers to the front so it is a little bit more untamed, but in the back you can see the definition. And it's really pretty. I love how it looks dry. Now I'm going to section the hair off into big sections and then break them big sections down into little pieces. Not being too specific, just grabbing it as I see it. So I did like small sections, medium section, small, medium, just so the curls or the waves wouldn't be all one size. Now this is a waving wand, not a curling wand. I got this from, I think Ross, years and years ago. I cannot find it anywhere. I'll look for it again on Amazon and link it down below if I find it, but I have been looking for this for a long time. I really love this thing. Now this is on 410 degrees and I just wrap the hair around. I'm not being specific, it's just really like lazy, honestly. I wrap it around for anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds. Now this hair has no product in it. I'm not a big product girl. It's completely dry. I shampooed it. I don't even think I put conditioner in it this day. And now I'm just curling it. This one heats up really fast. It works really well. Like I said, I've had this for years and I absolutely love it. If I could find it, I know you guys will love it, but I have to find something similar because this thing is amazing. And this is how the hair is looking. I'm going to go ahead and get through some of the front. Obviously, we don't need to see me do every single piece because it's pretty repetitive. As I got closer to the hairline, I wanted to make the pieces smaller just so that it would frame my face a little bit better. And then look at that, big, bouncy. Also, I did not pluck this hair at all. So if you like more of a customized hairline and you want this wig, you would definitely have to go in and do it. It says to come pre-plucked, but it wasn't all that pre-plucked to me. Look at this, moving. Now that does not look like 150 density, does it? Then you can simply take the hair right back to its natural state, of course, using some water. But I love the big curl look. And that is pretty much it for this video. Eullair hair, links in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.